This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com for September 2nd, 2019. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, which is having a good day, up about 6-7%. I want to show you the 4-hourly and an interesting observation. What I'm going to do is draw a single RSI line. But before I do that, I just want to show you where we've seen a reversal to the upside over the last, let's say, day or two, as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So just notice where the RSI is trading. So let's go to the line I was talking about. A single line connecting previous lows, and I'm just going to extend it. Now you'll notice how the line connects nicely with this double bottom, this low here, through those lows, touching these lows here, and this double bottom. So definitely the line is legit. And then of course we can see a break below the line, which is this movement. We come here, we tag the line, we are rejected off the highs there, and now you'll notice that we are back again to test that same line. So definitely an area for the crypto to decide what to do. We can conclude that as long as it is back to that line, we can anticipate something to happen here. So two things can happen. We might clear this area for a continuation of this move, or as we saw previously when we came here for a swing trade move lower during this rejection, if we end up getting rejection on this line, in other words, if the RSI is rejected around there, then that would suggest that from current levels, the next meaningful swing trade is actually pointing lower, and this is as Bitcoin is trading at 10,417 in that range. So again, a single simple RSI line that could be giving us guidance on a 4-hour to 4-hourly chart. In other words, might last a couple of days. Either we get a move above the line or resistance. Alright, so it so happens I had not uploaded this video, so this is now gonna be 2 days after the prior portion of this video. So the first 2-3 minutes of this video were on June 2nd. This is June 4th now. As a follow-up, I'm putting all this in one video, and you can see here slightly down as far as the cryptos are concerned for the day. Want to do a quick follow-up here in the same video. So this is now 2 days after the initial part of this video. Let's take a look here. We can see now on the 4-hourly, if I draw a line connecting the previous lows as we had seen, you can see that we've gone above the line and back below it with uniform action for the highs there. So again, we can zoom in to see that action in price. You can see this price reversal here. Again, can be explained, or at least one of the ways to explain that pullback is because of this backtest failure. You can even say we hit that twice and we were rejected. So one more time, just draw the same line, and this is how you can use the RSI single line method that I talk about, my own researched method, to identify reversal areas or potential reversal areas. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC.